Superfood Evolution presents What is Spirulina? Spirulina is an ancient, single-celled, freshwater blue-green algae that has existed since the beginning of life on Earth. It is classified under the Arthrospira species and grows in alkaline water bodies in climates where the maximum amount of sunlight is available. The word in Latin means spiral, and under close microscopic observation, it has long, unique spiral-shaped strands. All algae have been around for billions of years and were one of the very first forms of life on this planet. In fact, spirulina was one of the first edible algae to play a major role in the development of the food chain. This is because of its ability to endure high temperatures. Spirulina algae benefits: a high-protein food. One of the most phenomenal things about this top superfood algae is its ability to efficiently synthesize large, concentrated amounts of protein in short periods of time, taking in the sunlight and converting it into a green superfuel for the body. Spirulina offers a total protein content of 65%, the highest in all the plant kingdom. Containing all 8 essential amino acids and a total of 18 in all, it is well known in the health food movement as a supreme source of protein. One of the essential amino acid it supplies is tryptophan. Tryptophan is necessary for creating serotonin and balanced brain chemistry, which can help to elevate mood, alleviate depression, and ensure a good night's sleep. In nutritional studies, spirulina leads the way as a superior, easily digestible protein source over beef. Research indicates it is actually 12 times higher in protein, yet contains a much healthier balance of minerals and other valuable nutrients, antioxidants, and other phytonutrients. Spirulina is considered one of nature's perfect foods. Most people suffer from mineral deficiencies for a number of reasons: stress, inadequate diet, toxic overload, lack of restful sleep, and foods that lack mineral quality. Spirulina has been used successfully to treat malnourished children in underdeveloped countries around the world. This edible algae contains a complete spectrum of nutrients and is an ideal supplement for restoring a malnourished system. These phytonutrients include fatty acids, polysaccharides, antioxidants, enzymes, and a rich source of beta-carotene, vitamins E, K, B1, B2, and B6. It is hard to overdose on this microalgae for the reason that it has an impeccable ratio of vitamins and minerals your body requires. This superfood algae also contains bioavailable forms of the mineral sulfur, needed for joint health as well as liver and spleen functions. Spirulina, along with hemp seed, is one of the richest whole food sources of GLA, or gamma-linolenic acid. GLA is an essential fatty acid that has been shown to reduce the inflammatory symptoms of arthritis and relieve joint pain. It also promotes healthy hair and skin. Zeaxanthin, superoxide dismutase, and phycocyanin are 3 potent antioxidants found in spirulina that help to enhance eyesight, improve metabolism, and stimulate the production of stem cells. The immune system boosting benefits that spirulina offers primarily come from the high levels of beta-carotene, a type of lipopolysaccharide called LPS, and phycocyanin. Some health advocates consider it to be the quintessential survival food because you can live on it alone for long periods of time. List of spirulina's nutrients: nucleic acids, DNA, RNA, omega fatty acids including GLA, beta-carotene, gamma-linolenic acid GLA, trace minerals, antioxidant zeaxanthin improves vision, vitamin E and vitamin K, mucopolysaccharides, chlorophyll, calcium, zinc, magnesium, potassium, and more. Vitamin C, superoxide dismutase, many of the B vitamins. A blood purifier. Spirulina contains high concentrations of chlorophyll, the green pigment in plants that collects energy from sunlight and uses that energy for the process of photosynthesis. Chlorophyll is a known blood purifier and is excellent at cleansing the liver, nervous system, and blood of unwanted toxins. Plant-based chlorophyll is incredibly similar to the human blood hemoglobin. The only difference is that the center molecule in algae is magnesium, and the center molecule in blood cells is iron. It is probably no coincidence that chlorophyll-rich spirulina is exceptionally high in iron, which is excellent for anemia and helps to build the blood. In addition, the blue polypeptide found in spirulina algae, phycocyanin, also stimulates hematopoiesis and provides the blood with a richer supply of oxygen, helping it to cleanse more efficiently. History of use. Spirulina has a history of use as food by the Aztecs up until the 16th century. They called it tequiatl and processed and dried it in the form of cakes, as described by one of Cortez's soldiers. The Aztecs were known to use it with cacao. It is called dahi by the African people of Lake Chad. The use of this algae dates back to the beginning of their population around the lake region. They sift it from the top of the lake water and preserve it by sun-drying it on rocks. How to use spirulina. It is a complete protein-rich food that can be used as a protein powder in shakes, smoothies, and protein bars. Spirulina comes in powders, flakes, and capsules. We use the flakes on raw salads and the finer powder in smoothies, green energy drinks, raw desserts, and raw juice blends. Start with 1 teaspoon of powder and increase to 1 tablespoon or more over time. We particularly love the brand by Health Force Nutritionals called Spirulina Mana. It is a high-quality spirulina powder that is not heat processed like other brands. This retains all living enzymes needed to digest the nutrients in the algae. Thanks for watching, and be sure and give this video a thumbs up if you found it useful.
Do you want to boost your immune system, boost your energy, enhance the production of your antibodies, to be sufficient in infection-fighting proteins and other nutrients, and to give yourself an effective dietary program? Well, here's the amazing food that can give all those benefits for everybody. Spirulina, the amazing and remarkable resource of all major nutrients given by Mother Nature. But why spirulina? Nowadays, most of the people in a hectic society of constant activities are always on the move and in rush. We take meals which are often made up of convenient and instant foods that are highly processed and very high in acidity. In certain extent, the dramatic increase in acidity may lead to prevalent health disorders such as stress, chronic indigestion, loss of focus and concentration, irritability, rheumatic and arthritic conditions. Without a balanced nutrition, our physical bodies may not function properly or repair damaged tissues. This causes incomplete absorption of nutrients, leading to the loss of nutrients from our food intake. Spirulina is a good news to everyone in today's society. As a 100% alkaline food, DLA spirulina provides the 4 natural pigments which are chlorophyll, beta-carotene, phycocyanin, and xanthophyll, as well as the 4 major nutrients such as proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins, and minerals. And here we show a complete list of DLA Spirulina's astonishing features. And for much better understanding, let me show you why DLA Spirulina is really amazing. By just taking 3 teaspoons of DLA Spirulina granules, you will enjoy the amount of 4 beta-carotene, equivalent to the amount of 25 raw carrots or 550 apples. 4 iron, equivalent to the amount of 50 pieces of spinach. Vitamin B1, equivalent to the amount of 16 sardines. Vitamin B2, equivalent to the amount of 47 fresh strawberries. Niacin or vitamin B3, equivalent to the amount of 8 lemons. Vitamin B6, equivalent to the amount of 90 grams of bread. Vitamin E, equivalent to the amount of 7 glasses of milk. Protein, which is 6 times more than eggs. Calcium, which is 7 times more than milk. Potassium, which is 10 times more than any vegetables. Vitamin B12, equivalent to 250% of beef liver, and also fully loaded of antioxidants and gamma-linolenic acid that helps prevent heart problems. DLA Spirulina gives a lot of benefits as it primarily consists of proteins and contains all the amino acids that our bodies need. It is also rich in vitamins, minerals, and active components that promote good health.